Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for the first one, take a round sheet, fold it into half, take another sheet and make the lines out of it, make two eyes and it's all done. So for the next one, take a sheet, cut it in a shape of a leaf and now start folding it one by one stepwise and then nicely open it as shown in the video and it will look like the lines of a leaf. Then take the another sheet, make the roll out of a sheet and put the other sheet inside it and stick it with the leaf. Now take a tissue and start rolling it and stick it on the side. Now gently pull it out and make some cute little dots all over the tissue. Put it on the straw that we have made earlier. Now it's all done. So for the next one, take a sheet and make the lines as shown in the video. Now fold the corners of a sheet nicely and gently and then fold the edges of the sheet and now turn it over. Fold the other corners of a sheet nicely and then open it and make the fine lines out of a sheet. Now repeat the whole process gently and nicely until it will start looking like this. Now take the corners of a sheet of one side and start folding it. Be sure to make it more sleek and nice as it will look like this. Repeat the process and it's done. For the next one, let's make a hand. For that, you have to take a sheet and make the lines as shown in the video. Fold it on the lines and start folding the corners of a sheet and then repeat the whole process on both the sides and then make a cup-like structure and it's done. Let's start it. Take a sheet and then fold it into half and make the lines. Now fold the edges of the sheet and then take the sheet, turn it and then start making the lines out of it and then fold the corners of a sheet as shown in the video. It will look like a cute dress. Now fix the corners and it's all done. So for the next one, take a sheet, make two lines out of it and start folding the edges of the sheet and then start making the shapes out of it as shown in the video gently and nicely and then make so many of it and start attaching it all together and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet and fold the corners of a sheet and it will look like a diamond shape. Now fold the corners of a diamond shape and take another side and start folding the edges of the another side of the sheet. Now repeat the whole process on both the sides. Be gentle while doing it and repeat each and every step so that it will look like this. Now fold the sheet from both the sides gently and nicely and cover it with this. Now repeat the whole process and your cute little peacocks are done. For the next one, take a sheet and make the lines as shown in the video. Hold the sheet on the lines and make the corners of it nicely and gently and then repeat the whole process on both the sides. Now take the sheet and fold it into half and it will look like a beak. Make a small cut and then fold it from the other side and then open it. Your cute little monster is done. It is cute, right? And scary. Thanks for watching.